Tired of your contacts living in different spreadsheets and feeling like your leads are slipping through the cracks? Let's ditch the chaos and show you how to upload your list into Follow Up Boss, centralizing your data for streamlined communication, automated follow-ups, and enhanced lead management within the CRM. First, make sure your contact list is saved in a CSV file format. This is the most universally accepted format and will ensure a smooth import. Navigate to your Follow Up Boss account in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Admin. Now, on the left-hand side of the Admin panel, find the Import section and click Import. You'll see an option to upload your CSV file. Click Choose File or Browse and select the CSV file containing your contact list from your computer. Next, Follow Up Boss will walk you through the field mapping process. This is where you tell Follow Up Boss which column in your CSV file corresponds to which field in the CRM, like first name, last name, email, and phone number. Carefully match each column to the appropriate field. During the field mapping process, you can also assign tags to your imported contacts. Tags are a great way to segment your list, for example, by lead source or property interest. Once you've mapped all the fields and added any desired tags, review your settings. Then, click the Start Import button. Follow Up Boss will begin uploading your contacts, and you'll see a progress bar. Once the import is complete, review your new contacts to ensure everything transferred correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your list into Follow Up Boss. Now you're one step closer to supercharging your lead management.